Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can transform your newsletters from ordinary to extraordinary. If you're looking to boost your newsletter engagement, you're in the right place. We'll explore some interactive content ideas powered by ChatGPT that will keep your readers coming back for more. Let's get started. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to engage your audience is by including polls or surveys in your newsletter. These can help you gather valuable insights and make your readers feel heard. Today, we're going to see how ChatGPT can assist in creating a poll for a healthy living newsletter, for instance. Let's come up with a relevant question down here in the input box that would resonate with our audience. For a healthy living newsletter, an interesting topic might be, let's say, exercise preferences. So I'll put in my prompt here to ask ChatGPT for a poll question. Watch closely. So here it is that I come up with. Here it is right here. Take a look. So with that, let's send this right over. Now that we've sent the prompt, ChatGPT will then generate some poll options for us. This is a great way to ensure the questions are engaging and relevant. And as you can see right here, this is the results that it came out with. We have a well-crafted poll question asking our readers about their favorite type of exercise, with options like yoga, right over here. There's strength training right over here. And there's also running and cycling. See? It's well thought out right here. So this kind of poll not only engages your audience, but also gives you insights into their preferences. Pretty cool, huh? Who doesn't love a good quiz? Quizzes are a fantastic way to entertain your readers and encourage them to share their results, increasing your reach. Today, we're going to create a quiz for a travel newsletter using ChatGPT. Let's think about what kind of quiz would engage our audience. How about a quiz to help readers determine their ideal vacation destination? So I'll put together my prompt to ChatGPT asking for quiz questions based on preferences for activities, climate, and culture. So here it is, right here, just as I stated. There we go. And now let's send this over. Now that we've sent the prompt, ChatGPT will work its magic and generate the quiz questions. So while we wait, let's talk about why quizzes are so effective. They're not only fun, but also highly shareable, which can help expand your reach and bring new readers to your newsletter. So as you can see right here, it's almost done, and yeah, all right, ChatGPT has generated some results here and there, literally both ways with the results itself and from ChatGPT. So let's take a look at the quiz questions it created, like scrolling up, like who do you usually travel with? What is your preferred mode of transportation during a vacation? So on and so forth. So, yeah, as you can see, these questions are engaging and tailored to our audience's interests. This quiz is sure to make your readers excited to participate and share their results. Encouraging your readers to share their stories is a powerful way to build a community around your newsletter. Today, we're going to generate some storytelling prompts for, let's say, a food newsletter using, once again, ChatGPT. Consider what kind of stories we want our readers to share. How about asking them to share their favorite family recipes and the stories behind them? So here's the one that I came up with and put together. So here it is, as you can see right here. Now, let's send this right over. So, while we wait, let's talk about the benefits of storytelling in newsletters. It creates a sense of community, engages readers on a deeper level, I must say, and it provides diverse and, let's say, authentic content. So you can see right here, there are the list. So here are the prompts. And yeah, let's take a look at the storytelling prompts it created. So, with these following prompts that ChatGPT had recommended, these would encourage readers to share their cherished family recipes along with the personal stories that make them special. This approach not only engages your audience, but it also adds a personal touch to your newsletter. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! Interactive challenges are a great way to keep your readers engaged and excited. They provide a fun and competitive element to your newsletter that can drive participation and create a sense of community. Today, let's brainstorm a unique challenge for, let's say, a fitness newsletter with the help of ChatGPT. Think about what kind of challenge would resonate with our audience. How about a 30-day fitness challenge where readers can track and share their progress? So let's go down here in the input box, then paste the prompt that I put together right here. So here we go. And with that, let's enter right now. So the process might take a while, as you can see. And here it is. So here's what it came up so far with the greeting. And there it is, the instructions with the challenge and how to participate, incentives, then instructions on how to get started. And yeah, so here we go. Let's take a look at the challenge idea that ChatGPT came up with. So let's scroll up. Let's see what it is. Here it is, commit to daily movement, then try different types of exercise. This could include strength training, flexibility exercises, or even fun activities like dancing. So here we go. So, and yeah, so these are the ones as stated right here that were structured all together. So it has the support elements that are really sure to get your readers excited and engaged. So they not only motivate your readers to take action, but also foster a sense of community as participants share their experiences and achievements. Wow, fantastic. Feedback is crucial for continuous improvement, and asking for it directly can significantly boost engagement. By gathering feedback, you can understand your readers' preferences and make informed decisions to enhance your content. Now, let's create a feedback survey for a tech newsletter using ChatGPT once more. First, let's think about what kind of feedback we want to collect. We could ask readers about the topics they're mostly interested in and their thoughts on the current content format. So let's say we could go with that. So I'll form my prompt altogether to ChatGPT, then ask for thoughtful questions for a feedback survey. So here it is. This is the one that I put together. And then hit enter. So here it is. This is what it currently processes. There's the general information, content evaluation, and then the following questions. Here it is. So here we go. As you can see, these are the questions. fill in the blanks, and yeah. So let's take a look at a few questions here and there. So here's one. What do you like most about our current newsletter format? Here's the list of options right there. Here's the section right here from content evaluation. Here we go. And yeah, so, these are such targeted questions that will help you gather valuable insights and make data driven improvements to your newsletter. It helps you stay connected with your audience's needs and preferences, allowing you to continuously improve and deliver content that resonates with us. And those were some interactive content ideas to boost your newsletter engagement using ChatGPT. Also, leave a comment below with what you would like to see next. Also, check the pinned comment below to download a quick guide for this video. See you next time, everybody.